Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on INFINIX Hot 11s. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Google Classroom. So select it, download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use. Select plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and then click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.